Is your child planning to take the SAT in 2026? Then the next few months matter more than most families realize. The digital SAT has changed how the test works. Adaptive modules, tighter timing, different strategies. Preparing the right way now can make a big difference later. What I see with many families is this: the student is working hard, the parents are investing time and money, but months later, the score barely moves. Not because the student isn't capable, because no one clearly shows them where they're losing points and how to fix it. That's exactly what our tutors focus on at IvyStrides. Small groups, real diagnostics, clear feedback after every practice test. We don't just assign more questions. We show students what to work on, why it matters, and how to improve. Our summer batch is designed to give students that structure before the next SAT cycle. If you'd like to see whether this approach is right for your child, book a free 30-minute strategy session. We'll review their current level and suggest a clear plan forward.